Hello! Today, I will prepare delicious chicken legs with beer. For this, we will need 6 chicken legs. On each leg, I make 2 longitudinal cuts. Then, I sprinkle them with salt. I sprinkle with black pepper. Then, I turn the chicken legs over. I also sprinkle salt and black pepper on this side. In a frying pan, I pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add a piece of butter. I lay out the chicken legs in the frying pan for frying until lightly golden. I turn them over and fry the chicken legs on the other side until golden. Once the chicken legs are fried on both sides, remove them from the pan and set them aside. I chop 3 medium-sized onions. You can chop them finely or coarsely, as you like. I fry the chopped onion in the oil left over from frying the chicken legs. I cook the onion over medium heat until lightly golden. Meanwhile, I peel 1 clove of garlic. For those who love garlic, you can confidently add 3 to 4 cloves. I finely chop the garlic. You can also use a special garlic press. I don't like the aroma of overly fried garlic, so I add it 1 or 2 minutes before adding any liquid, or when I take the dish off the heat. In my case, I add garlic a minute before adding beer. Once the garlic has fried a bit, I add 1 cup of light, mild beer. Approximately 200 to 300 milligrams. While the beer is coming to a boil, I chop cherry tomatoes into pieces. I add the chopped tomato to our dish in the frying pan. Boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, I add half a teaspoon of salt. Next, I add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oregano spice. In my case, it's dried oregano. Boil for about 1 to 2 minutes. I lay the fried chicken legs back in the frying pan. Finally, I add a cup of chicken broth. This is approximately 200 milligrams. I cover with a lid and cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken legs and beer are ready. Enjoy your meal. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and liking.